This sport right here gets a chance to put everybody together. This tournament here had 6 international teams. We had teams from the US, Ecuador, Guam, Spain, Australia, and Italy, plus all the local teams.
الحماس موجود، كل الناس متحمسة مبسوطة، يطلبون أكثر، يقولون نبغى نسوي واحدة كل شهر. قلنا لهم يا جماعة خفوا علينا، ولكن الحمد لله هذا اللي مطلوب من هذه المسابقات.
Happy with the release concept. I think the sea is something we need to protect, especially the Red Sea. It's more of a sea than an ocean was. It's obviously a sea and an ocean. So you don't get so much replenishing. So whatever we have, we're stuck with. So you fish it all out, there's nothing left. So I'm very happy that they really pushed hard on releasing the important ones like the GTs and the sailfish.
Very, very fortunate about This is new to Saudi Arabia. The recreational fishing is brand new. And I feel very, very lucky and blessed that I'm helping you guys as a country to join sport fishing, recreational fishing, to share it not only with the people in your country, but with the people outside of the country as a destination to come and visit.